Okay, this is Paul Passmore, and this is my review of the Mithril wrist wrench. Thing looks to be very well made. 3 attachment points. Nice grippy handle with the fabric coming through the handle to where it can lock your hand into position, which is nice. Very solid, well-made piece of equipment. Let's do a few exercises with it. This is where I do most of my training, right here. Okay, we'll use the center attachment point first. Okay, so kind of grabs your hand like such, provides a nice grip. Yeah, these feel good. Yeah, nice and secure on the hand. Provides a good smooth motion. Let's switch hands right quick. Pretty quick change over to the left. Yeah, I like the way this strap kind of holds your hand in place. I like the resistance it provides. Feels real good. Let's try a couple different attachment points and see how it feels. Okay, we're now at the bottom attachment point. Oh yeah, you definitely feel that more towards the bottom of the wrist. These bottom 2 fingers are working a lot harder now. Now we'll try it at the top. I'm liking these different attachment points on it. It's a nice overall wrist wrench. Good updated version, I would say. And if you noticed, I've done a few sets with my thumb wrapped. I'll do one with my thumb unwrapped. Upper attachment. Oh yeah, that feels good. Definitely hits the upper part of the wrist. Yeah, I like this. Definitely highly recommend it. I'll be getting a lot of good use out of it. Everybody check out the Mithril wrist wrench and all their other handles. You can find them online. And yeah, definitely check them out. Nice new brand.